How to turn on auto download videos when roaming on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download videos when roaming on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find this one, storage and data. Click on it and then scroll down. Here you will find when roaming. Just click on it and click on videos, turn it on and click OK, and click OK here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.